statistic has shown that 90% of long-distance relationships do not last. There must be some reasons why the percentage number is so high. Many people get anxious and worried when they and their loved one have to stay distant for a period of time. The belief that long-distance relationship doesn't work has ingrained in many of us that we become too afraid when we hear the term long-distance relationship. Myself and some people that I know, we all have been in a long-distance relationship, and I'm here to tell you that it's tough. Like really tough. However, I'm also here to tell you that you can actually make your long distance relationship work despite the high rate of unsuccessful long distance couples out there. In this video, I will teach you how to keep your relationship work when you and your partner are far away from each other. I will share the 4 principles that you need to keep in mind if you want to keep your long distance relationship last. So now, let's check out what are the 4 principles that will help your long-distance relationship. It is so important and crucial to know why you're doing what you're doing. Apply this to your relationship. Why are you dating and in a relationship with this person? If your why is not strong, if the reason you get into the relationship with your partner is not solid, you will easily give up on the relationship when there are challenges or hardships, especially when it comes to long-distance relationship. Your why has to be clear and strong and matches with your partner's why. If your reason is strong, yet your partner's why is not so strong, then you probably want to have a discussion with him or her. You don't want to be in a relationship with someone where you're looking for long-term, yet the other person's only interested in short-term. Again, make sure your why and your partner's why are strong and match with one another's. Your why will be the foundation of your long-distance relationship. If the foundation of your relationship is weak, 1 or 2 challenges will be enough to split you and your partner apart. Your reason why you're in the relationship is the key factor that determines whether your relationship is going to last. The next principle is the plan. When you have a goal, which is your why of getting into the relationship, you then make a plan to reach that goal. For example, your partner is in military or studying abroad for months or years. You do want to have a plan when one of you will travel to meet the other person, or both of you will travel somewhere to meet up. Plan well ahead so that you and your partner have something to look forward to. The worst thing in a long-distance relationship is to be further away from each other and have absolutely no idea when you and your partner will be next to each other again. The uncertainty and unplanning like this kills the energy and the motives of the couple in the long-distance relationship. Also, very important, please make sure you and your partner have a deadline for your long-distance relationship. This means to establish the time in the future when you and your partner will no longer do long distance. The distance should be temporary in your relationship. It shouldn't be permanent. You don't want to do long-distance relationship forever, do you? If you're totally fine being away from your partner for a long period of time, then I would suggest you going back to the principle number 1 I mentioned earlier. Question and be honest with yourself about your why of being in the relationship. You may say that I trust my partner a lot, but hear me out. The trust required for a long-distance relationship is enormous. so much more than the trust that you and your partner have for one another when you're both physically next to each other. When you're far away from your partner, you don't know what they are doing and whom they are hanging out with. My advice to you is to simply trust your partner, knowing that if they were in a situation that something could happen, your partner would never do anything to hurt your feeling. When you have that trust, you can overcome the unexpected thoughts doubting your partner's loyalty. There are only a few couples who actually survive long distance, and for those who survive, their relationships grow even stronger than ever as they pass the trust challenge test. Communication is key when it comes to relationship. When you do long distance, make sure you communicate with your partner as often as possible. The more you and your partner communicate, the less distance between you two. Set a schedule where you two can make a video call with each other and make sure to stick with that schedule. There will be times where your friends may invite you out during that scheduled time. My advice to you is to politely say no to your friends. Your partner may say it's okay to cancel and reschedule the call for another time, but trust me, say no to your friends and stick to the call would mean a lot to your partner. It shows that you put him or her as your top priority, and talking to your partner is more important for you than going out with your friends. Ultimately, a relationship is where you show your partner that he or she matters in your life. And by you saying no to your friends and stick to that schedule, show the love and the care you have for your partner. These are the 4 key principles that you need to keep in mind when you commit to making your long distance relationship work. I hope you find this video helpful to your love life, and if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to give it a like and also share it with someone that could benefit from it. If you have any other questions about relationship, dating and love, then don't forget to let me know in the comment below. Subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on for more future videos like this. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.